Hi, this is Mark Cupp, Executive Director of the Lower Wisconsin State Riverway Board, with your weekly Riverway report on Tuesday, April 7th. We're here at a site west of Muscadet where there is a lot of red pine removal that has occurred. That smell of pine is in the air here. And this is part of a habitat restoration project. For those who are familiar with this area, if you take Pine Road west from the village of Muscadet, you'll see all the work that's being done right now. That's to restore the prairie and oak savanna in this location. Red pine is having a more difficult time hanging on in the southern part of the state because of climate change and a variety of diseases and insects. So DNR is gradually liquidating those red pine plantations that wouldn't occur here naturally. Oh, sandhill cranes. Never get tired of that in the spring. So it may look a little different, but long term, it's going to be good. Just let that symphony go for a minute. So I'm here at a place called Moore Lake. 40 years ago, this was a place known as Big Tree by the local youth. It's a place for gathering to have a sarsaparilla after a football game, or to look at the stars. Wink, wink. But it's a beautiful bottomland complex. The river has come down, but you know, you could probably get down to the end of the cul-de-sac with four-wheel drive, but a little sketchy. So from last Friday when we were talking, the river flow was over 40,000 cubic feet per second. And today we're down to over 28,000. So we're headed in the right direction. It looks like by next Monday we'll be down to about 16,000, depending on how much rain we get. But it's that time of year. We have snowpack melting up north, and we have spring rains, and the water's got to go somewhere. So just remember that if you're thinking about getting out on the river, water's still cold and a little bit high, so do some land-based recreation if you can. But this is another nice place. There's a handicapped accessible wildlife pier, watching pier, duck hunting blind. Occasionally you can use it for fishing, but it's a nice spot just to go for bird watching. So then we go from the beautiful to some jackass decided, hey, I'm just going to get rid of all my crap here at this DNR property. I just don't understand the total lack of respect by people where they think this is someone else's problem. I'm just going to dump this stuff. But here we have an unusual collection of, I don't know what it was, maybe a TV or a monitor or something. So we'll have to have some of the DNR guys come out, pick it up and throw it away, and that takes away from money that can be used from other projects. If you see anybody doing something like that, don't confront them. If you get a license plate, that's good, but otherwise call the DNR tip line. So here's another view of Moore Lake. And it's a warm day today. I assume we'll have some mosquitoes coming out. A little bit of a breeze. Looks like we will be getting cooler temperatures coming in by the end of the week, but it's a very nice day so far today. Awfully cloudy and gray, but still very nice temperatures. Looks like some ducks out there in the distance, but probably too far away for you to see. Well, it was nice for the sandhill cranes to greet us when we got here. Lots of other birds singing in the distance. So hopefully this is a reminder to get out and explore some of these backwater areas in your own backyard. Because there's lots of things going on in the spring and these types of habitat. So until next time, I hope you'll be safe in the midst of this COVID-19 shutdown. And until we get together again, just remember, I'll always look forward to seeing you somewhere in the Lower Wisconsin State Riverway.